goes to show it's nothing normal.
Okay, player, this is Diplo from Major Lazer. We're here at the Roots Picnic 2012. I'm a huge fan of the Roots and Amir and the whole movement. You know, I came up DJing here and going to Black Lily and watching Questlove, you know, being from a band going to a DJ and just kind of been part of that whole scene, and much respect to them.
We all come together, and I don't think there's anything like it. So when people see it, I think they can really appreciate the fact that we kind of take them around the world with music in and out.
We definitely try to make the show feel like a carnival. You know, it's just feel like it's a party going on, and we kind of improvise the set, play like half it's our records, half it's our remixes, our dubs, and we just try to keep the vibe like real open-minded and keep it like a dance hall party or like a carnival party or something you go see in the summertime.
Yo, I need to see everybody clapping like this.
Well, I mean, one point for me, I mean, like, it's soca energy, it's dancehall energy. Because you think about it, it's like, I took West of Trinidad and I went to go see Machel Montano. And if you've never seen Machel Montano before, you just be like, oh, this stuff is alright. But then you get there and it's like 10,000 people going nuts. Yeah, it's your boy Jillian here, and we're always on RajUp.com. Find us.
Billy, mad love to you guys out there.
Yeah. It's Christmas in June.